Many times, even after working all day, we feel like we haven't done much. That's because our mind keeps jumping from one thing to another. Studies have found we can truly focus for just about 40 seconds before something grabs our attention. Chris Bailey, in his book Hyperfocus, talks about this. Most times, we're like robots doing the same thing again and again. Imagine you always take the same route to your job. But what if a new, quicker road was built? If you're not looking, you'd miss it. But there's a way to tackle this problem. Here's a 4-step guide to help you boost your focus. Awareness. It all starts with knowing what you've been up to. Try this. Set an alarm to ring every hour. When it goes off, think about what you're doing. Ask yourself, is what I'm doing now getting me closer to my goals? Or am I just doing small things that don't matter much? There are 2 main questions to think about. How have I spent my time? What usually takes my attention away from important stuff? You don't have to make big changes right away. Just knowing what's happening can make a difference. Soon, you'll notice when you're off track and quickly get back to what's important. Choosing the right task. Once you know what you've been doing, the next step is picking what you should be doing. Here's a guide to help you choose. Always remember, out of many things you do, only a few give big results. If you have 10 tasks, maybe 2 are super important. This is called the 80-20 rule. Each morning, pick 3 big things you want to finish by day's end. You can do this for a week or even a month. This helps you keep your eyes on the prize. Pick tasks that are just right, not too easy, not too hard. If it's a breeze, you'll be bored. If it's super hard, you might give up. Be clear about your tasks. Instead of saying go to the gym, say exercise at the gym for 20 minutes during lunch. Hyperfocus. Once you pick your task, dive deep into it. Think of it like getting lost in a good movie. Here's how. A neat place helps. If your desk is full of stuff, clean it up. Your phone can be a big distraction. Put it away or use apps to check it less. Wearing headphones can help too. It's a sign that says I'm busy. It's okay to pause. Short breaks can actually help you focus for longer. Scatter focus. Now, let's talk about the opposite. Letting your mind wander freely. This can also be good because sometimes big ideas come when we're relaxed. Here's how to do it. Do easy stuff like walking or doodling. Let your thoughts flow. Daydream. Think about fun stuff or what you want to do in the future. This is a great way to take a break and maybe even come up with fresh ideas. It's like giving your brain a small holiday after hard work. To wrap it up, both hyperfocus and scatterfocus have their own places. Just like cars need fuel to run but also stops to fill up, our brain needs times to focus hard and times to chill. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching.